The easiest way of approaching this question is to understand what multipliers are. Multipliers, you always start off with 100%. You work out what's happening, so let's say we're adding 40%, and then you work out the final percentage, which is 140%. The final thing you do is just convert it to a decimal, so divide by 100 to make it 1.4. That means you can multiply any number by 1.4 and it will go up by 40%. So in this question it says we have Billy, we have James, and we have Sam. And we're told that James collects 40% more sand than Billy. So he's got 40% more. We're told that Sam collects 20% more sand than James. So he's got 20% more. By what percentage has Sam got greater than Billy? Okay, now the obvious answer is 60. And if you write 60, unfortunately, you're not going to get the right answer. The way of doing this, as I said, is to understand multipliers. So, we imagine Billy starts off with 100%, and he's gone up by 40%. So that means he's now got, or James has 140% of what Billy has. Now, as a multiplier, that's going to be 1.4. So whatever amount Billy has, we're going to times that by 1.4 to get James's amount. Then, James then has the 100%. We add 20% on to work out what Sam has, which is 120% of what James has. As a multiplier, that's going to be 1.2. So we're going to times James's amount by 1.2 to work out Sam's amount. Now the problem is we don't know what the amount is, but we do know what we're going to do to it. We're going to times 1.4, then times 1.2. So if we get our calculator, or if it's on a non-calculator paper, then you have to do this the long way. And I type in 1.4 times 1.2. And that will tell me in total what I'm timesing Billy's by to get straight to Sam's. Like so. The answer to that is 1.68. Now that's as a decimal. If I convert that back into a percentage, that means Sam, if Billy has 100%, that means Sam has 168%. So therefore, Sam has 68% more than Billy. Now, if you're adamant the answer is 60, you need to go through this, because this is why this is such a high topic, is understanding that actually it's not going to be. And the government, with all their statistics, all the time use this, and people think, oh, it's 60%. It's not. It's 68% for this question.